Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to recap a perfect trade that I missed, an A+ opinion range breakout on Meta this week. I want to remind you that when I'm looking for an opinion range setup, I usually take a look at the daily chart and I need a perfect pattern right there. Then I go to the 60-minute chart and I want to see a clean range or a clean consolidation area with an excellent breakout area. And Meta had it all. Let's go to trading terminal replay features so that I show you how Meta setup and how it should have been executed. So as you can see around here, Meta did an ABCD pattern on the daily chart. There was a consolidation area below the $328 area. We struggled a little bit, tried to break for multiple days until on the 10th of November it came back all the way to the high, and on the 13th it broke. Normally, after you break an area and after the stock trends a little bit, it goes back and it retests. So the previous resistance starts acting as a level of support, which it did. Then it gave us a double bullish candles. Now you can just simply think about it. If we broke a strong level and we retested it, and after the retest we closed as bullish candles, where are we more likely going to go to next? And looking at this, I could tell that today most probably we are going to go to the long side. I then go to the 60-minute chart, I zoom it out a little bit and I try to identify what is the best breakout area or breakout level. And I could tell that there is approximately something around here that was held back maybe on 14th of November. Then we were sitting below this level on 16th and 17th. Today in the pre-market we're consolidating around this area, so there is slightly another level a little bit ahead of it. So we have a level around 335-ish area and we have a level around $336 area. Finally, I go to the 5-minute chart just to confirm the consolidation area or the range or the level that I have drawn, and I can see that on the previous day we approximately had a level somewhere around here that got broken and a level that we are holding in the pre-market somewhere up here. So these are three interesting levels or three interesting areas that I'm interested in playing a breakout from, and depending on how it behaves around these levels, I'll be making the decision whether I want to exit at break even or maybe hold on longer to my trade. The whole trade management and execution, it comes based on the 1-minute chart, and I watch the price action closer just to see what's happening around these areas. I can see that around 335 we did break below it and we actually squeezed to 335.45, which is the best level that we had from yesterday. The level that was concerning a little bit is 336.30ish, which is the pre-market high. If you remember, we discussed 335.45, which is the level from yesterday, and 336.30ish approximately just simply the level from the pre-market high. Once we broke this area, all you have to do is just manage your risk and maybe sell at round numbers or take partials around round numbers, or maybe hold it all the way to the average true range. What would be our stop loss in this case? In this case, you can actually use a stop loss maybe at 335, which is the retest area, or worst case, if you are too safe and you're too conservative, you can use a new 1-minute low as your stop loss. Personally, especially after the breakout, I make sure to tighten my stop loss and go for maybe the retest area as a stop or the middle of the range as a stop loss. In fact, this retest around here was also a good place maybe to add into the winning position. So that's basically it, and that's how simple it is. Unfortunately, we don't have these A+ and clean setups every day. But when you see a pattern that is that clean on the daily chart and it's supported by the 60, the previous day high in the pre-market, you want to take the advantage of that. These are the perfect opportunities. And actually, if you're patient enough and you can avoid the messy setups and the messy days and avoid trading on these and only execute trades on these perfect days, you could actually do well for yourself in the long term. So what do we want to see to have a perfect opportunity? Clean pattern on the daily chart, clean range on the 60-minute chart with a clean breakout area or level. Take a look at the 5-minute chart to confirm the areas on the levels, and watch the 1-minute chart to manage your trade and to get the entry. You want to aim for at least a 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but honestly, if the daily chart looks that good, you can even hold it for a longer term and maybe for the whole average true range move. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share and subscribe to our channel, and follow me on Twitter if you want to see more of my videos. By the way guys, a quick reminder, there is a sale on Trading Terminal that is happening right now, and if you want to buy one of my courses, just use the promo code BK50 in one of my courses and you'll get 50% discount, and that's the biggest discount we ever offer. Have a good day and I'll talk to you in the next video.